Hey guys, in this video we will look at the best frozen drink machine in the market. So, if you are looking to buy one, then this video is for you. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. At number 1. Bravo Italia 2-bowl Slushie machine. This is a high-capacity machine for margaritas and many other frozen beverages that you are a fan of. The company is trusted and has been manufacturing their products in over 80 countries all over the world. There are 2 big bowls on this machine, which will combinedly make about 100 cups, which is about 6.4 gallons, of perfectly mixed frozen beverages for you. This machine will take between 30 to 45 minutes to make you the ice-churned slushie that you have been craving for so long. If you are looking for the best commercial slush machine, this is one of the top ones we suggest for you. This machine is made with stainless steel, and it requires the standard US electrical capacity of 120 volts and 60 Hz to function at its best. It comes with a strong air cooling compressor that will give huge refrigeration capacity over long periods. Also, it is a very solid and sturdy machine that weighs about 99 pounds and is practically unbreakable. At number 2. Happy Buy 110V Commercial Slushie Machine. If you are looking for a huge machine to serve a huge group of people and keep them smiling, this is the machine that you need to get. It will serve you on every occasion without fail. The machine has 3 tanks for holding the fluids. Each tank has a capacity of 12 liters, so you are going to be able to make 36 liters of beverage at once. All your drinks will stay fresh and frozen inside the durable stainless steel tank on this machine. There are great stirrers inside. They provide a broad mixing span, decrease sedimentation, and stirring continually to 360 degrees total. Moreover, the tanks have a BPA-free grade to ensure the best level of sanitary mixing. The compressor is very powerful, and as such, it requires about 600 watts to operate at optimum levels. You are getting a great bit of control when you have this machine at your disposal. On the side panel, you will see a multitude of buttons and switches that will help you make the drinks that you specifically want. Cleaning and maintaining this machine also requires the least bit of effort. The trays that hold cups and glasses are all detachable, the faucets have a great dispensing capacity, and there are big vents that will provide a good level of fluid circulation within the machine. All in all, this is the machine you want when you think about making the perfect drinks for the perfect party, and it's considered to be one of the best commercial frozen drink machines in the market. At number 3. Margaritaville Tahiti Frozen Concoction Maker. This is a deal that is made for the person who likes variety very much. It might get boring to try the handful of drinks that are the usual options when making drinks at home. With this concoction mixer from Margaritaville, however, you can add more to the menu, a lot more. This machine has 3 jars for blending, and they each have a capacity of 24 ounces of liquid. In every cycle, the machine will thus produce 72 ounces of perfectly mixed drinks for you. You can add your own mix of texture to personalize these drinks as much as you want to. There's a lot to experiment with here, and so in our opinion, this is the best margarita machine for home. No need to visit the overcrowded bars anymore. Coladas, mudslides, daiquiris, mojitos, margaritas, and all kinds of smoothies are all for you to make at home. The frame of the machine is half transparent, and through this, you can see the ice churning inside. Quite a spectacle to look at, actually. Your guests will definitely pay a lot of attention to you and your exquisite tastes for mixing drinks. There ends the functionality of this amazing machine. Now let's get to the durability. Well, this machine is something you can rely on, made with bamboo wood of the most premium quality with a smooth finish of brushed aluminum on the surface. This is a machine that's built to last. Stainless steel accents have been added to the internal components that are made with heavy-duty die-cast aluminum in order to make them last longer. At number 4, Margaritaville Jimmy Buffet Signature. This machine will help you make great drinks. Well, that's actually all of the machines on this list that we have carefully curated for you. We hold this in higher regard because not only is this machine of great quality mechanisms to make you the best drinks, but it is also an extremely good-looking one at that. The colors on the palette for this machine are green, blue, and white, all of which makes an extremely eye-soothing combination for your table or countertop. Now let's get to the main deal of this machine. There is a big single jar for the drink mixing, while a transparent ice hopper sits right on top of the machine and constantly shaves and churns out ice for your slushies. With this machine, you can make all the frozen drinks you have ever had in a restaurant without being confused by a multitude of buttons. As far as this machine is concerned, there are only 3 drink selector buttons that will each hold about 12 ounces of liquid. The machine shaves and blends ice for about 36 ounces of beverage in total. The quantity is much less than that of commercial mixers, but when it comes to quality and ergonomics, this is the best frozen concoction maker out there. At number 5, Margaritaville Key West Frozen Concoction Maker. You can barely get the authentic taste of fresh drinks without the best favorite frozen drink maker at home. The ice hopper built into regular machines actually crush ice rather than shaves them for the drinks. But we are now glad to present you with a machine that will shave ice for you and mix up a perfectly authentic concoction for your enjoyment. The blending jar of this ice drink machine is the real deal. It can hold 36 ounces of liquid and make some great drinks for you. Whether you want the flavor of the tropics or the spicy party drinks you get at Halloween, everything will be ready for experimentation right at your disposal. But you know what the best thing about this machine is? Well, it is the 4 pre-installed drink settings incorporated into this machine that will make your task all the easier for you. The jar is an open and pour system that really gets the job done very quickly. No mess, no hassle required at all. We hope you loved the video and please tell us which products we should review next in our comments section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description of all products shown today.